Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Azure Synapse PowerShell. In this tutorial we will cover the key concepts and practical examples to get you started with using PowerShell to manage and automate your Azure Synapse Analytics workflows. First, we need to install the Azure Synapse PowerShell module. You can do this by running the command install module name as Synapse in the PowerShell console. Once installed, you can import the module by running import module name as Synapse. To start working with Azure Synapse, you need to connect to your Azure account. You can do this by running the command connect as account. After connecting to your Azure account, you can select the subscription you want to work with by running the command set as context subscription ID or subscription ID. Now that we are connected to our Azure account, we can start working with Azure Synapse. To get a list of all Synapse workspaces in your subscription, you can run the command get as Synapse workspace. To get a list of all Synapse pipelines in a specific workspace, you can run the command get as Synapse pipeline workspace. Name your workspace name. To create a new Synapse pipeline, you can run the command new as Synapse pipeline workspace name. Your workspace name. Name your pipeline name. To trigger a Synapse pipeline, you can run the command start as Synapse pipeline workspace name. Your workspace name. Name your pipeline name. It is also important to note that you can use PowerShell to manage and automate other Azure Synapse resources such as datasets, linked services and triggers. For example, to create a new dataset, you can run the command new as Synapse dataset workspace name. Your workspace name. Name your dataset name. Best practices for using Azure Synapse PowerShell include using meaningful names for your resources, using comments to document your scripts, and testing your scripts in a non-production environment before running them in production. In conclusion, Azure Synapse PowerShell is a powerful tool for managing and automating your Azure Synapse Analytics workflows. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can get started with using PowerShell to automate your Synapse workflows and improve your productivity.